Welcome back. While the holidays can be a time of happiness for a lot of people, for some it could be a time of loneliness and depression. Medical and clinical directors of Zinnia Health, Dr. David Hu and Wendy Rubuka, are here to discuss ways to seek support during the holidays. Both of you, welcome to ISF.
Thank you.
We were talking off camera about how the holidays, even though it's a festive, joyous time, for many people, it's not that. It's not. It's a time of depression, some isolation, and it's just not happy, which is a real thing. Doctor, why is that real? And also, let's get into the mechanism of addiction.
Absolutely. So to answer the first part of your question, I think that the holidays can definitely be a saddening time for many people. I think that it also can be very stressful. I think that the holidays, naturally, when you are having holidays every year, you think about holidays past. Mm-hmm. So that can sometimes be very saddening.
Wendy, when should someone seek help?
It depends upon the individual, because everybody goes through a progression in different ways. So it really depends. With some, it might be that they're, seeing that it's beginning to impact their day-to-day living. With some, they begin to isolate, to withdraw. They start to not call friends, family. So it really depends upon the individual, because everybody's use of alcohol and or drugs is a progression. So how it progresses depends upon the individual. So with some, it's where they start using and they like it. And so it's what about it that you like? Then you get to a point of what is it that you need? Why do you need it? And then why do you want it? And then why do you require it?
So how does Zinnia Health find success, doctor?
Well, I wanted to say, I think that one of the ways that we find success is that our treatment programs are quite medically involved. I think that recovery should also involve, healthcare from healthcare professionals. And I think that as part of that, coming into a treatment program, you may be experiencing withdrawal symptoms from your substances. You might require medications for the withdrawals. But after withdrawals are done, after the detox is done, I think that there is a role for medications to play even in the residential treatment program that you participate in. I think that there are maybe antidepressant medications that need to be employed in order to treat some of the underlying depression and anxiety that was feeding into the addiction.
That's important, because as we said, healing is not linear. There's no one size fits all approach to this, but the approach is to find success and a healthy outcome and not that relapse.
Correct.
For the future. Dr. David Hu, Wendy Rubuka, first of all, thank you for talking with us today. I think it's important. It's an important conversation. I can imagine there's someone watching right now that needed to hear this and knows that they're not alone, because this is a time, as we said, of isolation for people, and they are not alone. Thank you both.
You're very
Absolutely.
welcome.
Thank you.